We are now officially in the second half of 2026, and with that, the midterm elections are just around the corner. Thought I'd give you a bit of a heads up of what's going on there. We actually call this the midterm gauntlet. This is not to sound exaggerated, but there are a couple of, I think, interesting statistics that we should be aware of when it comes to the second half of 2026, particularly around this midterm potentially volatility. So if you look at this historically, the midterm elections feature some of the most violent corrections in sort of the regular four-year presidential cycle. It's kind of where political uncertainty combines with sort of market forces, fund flows, and I guess we could call that seasonal weakness, and it can create a decent amount of volatility. If you look at the kind of market dip, you might be able to see it's sort of closer to about 17-ish%. So that's about 400 basis points, 4% deeper than in a usual non-midterm election year. We can go through this a bit more specifically, but the sort of August to October period is typically what accounts for about 85% of that total volatility for the year. We're going to go into a lot more detail on this. Quick pause here. If you want a clear framework for finding high quality stock opportunities, we put something together for you. We're giving away a free 3-stock ebook that breaks down exactly what we look for, why these setups matter, and how to think about risk and what separates noise from real opportunity. There's no hype, no predictions, just process and perspective. So click the link in the description down below and get the free 3-stock ebook and use it as a reference the next time you're analyzing a chart. Now let's get back to the video. In this week's State of the Market, I'll give you statistics such as when that volatility is likely going to start to happen. We think it's going to start in July, and it's going to creep into that August, September, October period. So make sure you join us for our State of the Market address. It's going to take place this week. Here, the link should be down below, open for everybody, and we'll see you guys there. If this video helped you, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, you give us a thumbs up, like, and if you want to see this approach in action, you will want to join us in our Set the Market morning call, which happens at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, Monday through Thursday. Make sure you join us for that in the link down below. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.